Hello everybody, welcome. Today we are simply discussing a trick through which you can read a text like this or a small text which is hardly visible without glasses, or even a person like me can't see it in glasses. Most of the time you run after glasses, and let's get rid of these and note the technique. You will be able to stretch it. So simply take the picture of this and let's go to the screen. Now you are available to my mobile, and my mobile is connected to my laptop, and I already took the picture of this item or smaller text. So we will simply stretch it. You will see both methods with simple fingers and also through computer projecting screen. Now this is connected with mobile, and I click the picture. At this time these options are available, however we are not discussing this because it will take much time. So simply press cancel, and this is the ordinary method which we can use to stretch our picture or to read the desired narrow text. You can see the same connected to the computer. Now you are watching that I have already I am using the same text. However, you are watching this on computer, so you will be unable to note that how it is done. Now you can see that the text is clearly readable. I'll show you also two more methods with which you can do the maximum stretch, and now it's clearly visible even without glasses. So you need not to run after glasses. The second method, simply connect your mobile through WhatsApp web and open your WhatsApp, bring the pictures to your inbox or send it to someone, because through this way you can't reach to your gallery. So I simply send the pictures to another number of mine. Now I'll simply use the method again, press the plus sign, and now it's readable, but readable not at the maximum level. So we will use another method through which it will be more clear, rather maximum level of stretch. So simply go and save this to your computer. Now I save all three pictures to my desktop, and let's double click it, open it and stretch it. This is the maximum level. See the method. Now it's clearly readable. If you use corping along with this, so your stretchability would be enhanced. Now note the difference once again. The same picture which I have saved from my WhatsApp, and now it's available on my computer. So I use corping, and now again press the plus sign and stretch it. Now you have noted that the picture or the text is clearly readable. Let's do another one. It's without corping, it's readable, and now it would be more clear after corping. So let's do corping and use the same text again. There are many more apps available which can do stretching. However, better you use a high pixel camera, a high resolution picture, so that will be more effective. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.